we just stopped at
Walmart.
Well, we slept here last night. It wasn't bad. A little noisy.
hot.
Had some kids zooming around. Kim's putting groceries up in the car or in the truck. We got oodles and noodles, mac and cheese. We got some steaks for probably tomorrow night. It's gonna be good. So we're in Georgia. Pretty uneventful drive yesterday.
No, it
Except for
wasn't uneventful.
oh, hang on, it wasn't uneventful. We had a wee bit of a storm, and I was coming through and got hit by this gust of wind from the side, and actually shifted the camper over probably 1.5 inches, 2 inches in the bed of the truck, all to one side. So this morning we had to lift it off the truck, and I centered it back up. Where are we at, guys?
We're in rainy Florida.
Oh, guys, we watch as the wild palm tree grows behind the fence.
Explain the difference between a wild palm tree and a non-wild
like
palm tree.
Jurassic
Wild palm tree. We didn't plant them.
It all on me as long as we can find our way. Do you remember all the times we tried to stop this? Yeah, we end up the same every time. Cause when our bodies beat, there's nothing left to fight about. We're holy when we touch anyhow. Give me a chance to make it right.
Those things over there, like, it's over there, but it's basically like a surfboard that you ride, and you go. Typical ride. And there's Shabakadu.
Now they took and found, oh, there's a this right here, according to the blueprints, is the deck, boiler room deck of it. And it was a commercial seaport here, believe it or not. We had panel wheelers coming in here, 3 or 4 of them a day, loaded down with goods and leaving with lumber. Well, one of them.
So, you know those 4 videos of Devil's Den where they're diving down there all by themselves and having a time of their life? Yeah, that's not real. Here's what Devil's Den actually looks like. It's a little bit on the business side. Welcome to the Boykins Adventures.
Is this right? Is this how you do it? Look at my eyes. They're fogging up because this is what women do with masks on that are having hot flashes in Florida. It's a good time.
You look like an idiot.
Hey Jake, did you put your snorkel on upside down?
No, I didn't.
You got it fixed, huh?
Shush, Grandpa.
Oh, how's everybody doing tonight? I just want to talk to you a little bit, but you know we're fixing to go down the Devil's Den. And do a little snorkeling. Okay? Okay.
Amazing.
Amazingly crowded.
Amazingly crowded, but fun. But if you bring your own gear,
You can do it all day.
All day
Come and
long.
go.
all day long. So it's pretty neat.
Yeah, we're going to do it again. I
Yeah.
just figure we'll get some rest, maybe get something to drink.
Get some UV.
I'm not thirsty.
Warm.
Okay, leftover smoked pork tenderloin tacos. I'm thinking,
They're very good.
Jake, that rumble you hear is the air conditioning. Air conditioning is good.